Depending on the issue, dust collector downtime caused by maintenance issues can delay production for just a few minutes or hours when you're properly prepared. But when you're not prepared, baghouse downtime can be catastrophic, costing a company days or even weeks of missed production while making repairs and are waiting on critical components to arrive like filters. Because of this, it's crucial to keep spare parts on hand, conduct daily monitoring, and perform scheduled maintenance on your dust collector. SLY recommends a minimum of extra diaphragm valve repair kits, replacement solenoids, and having some spare filters on hand. This will help keep your process moving forward when small issues arise with most pulse clean type baghouses. Current lead times for replacement parts are longer than ever in many cases, so be prepared with extras on hand, especially for unexpected issues. Also, monitoring changes in the differential pressure between clean and dirty plenums, along with recording events that cause upset conditions in your process, will give you vital information regarding the current health of your baghouse and alert you to when you have leaking or clogged filters, and as well as when it's time to prepare for a pending bag change. You can learn much more about creating an inspection and maintenance program for a better baghouse in our maintenance checklist guide. It contains a list of things you need to know about pressure drops, cleaning systems, hopper discharge, filter media, and so much more. It also includes a glossary of key terms, links to how-to videos, and handy inspection logs for all types of dry dust collectors. This inclusive checklist will help you keep your dust collector in tip-top shape. Find a link to download the checklist at the end of this video or in the description. And of course, you can always reach out to SLY with any questions. Please call us directly or visit our website.